Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna try to upgrade my old 2013 laptop. It's an Asus TY165. I have 4 gigs of RAM, 1 gig of video RAM, Nvidia 610. So, in the beginning of this year, I decided to make him a present. I went on Amazon and bought the following: a 480 gigs SSD from Kingston, a second HDD Caddy so I can replace my DVD unit, Arctic MX4 thermal paste, 4 gigs of RAM because my motherboard is limited to 8 gigs of RAM, and an i5 3210M with 2.5 GHz of frequency up to 3.1. And the last item is a battery because my battery broke 2 years ago. So first of all, back up your information in case something goes wrong. So all you need is a small Phillips screwdriver, but I will gonna show you the whole set. Next thing you need, it's a very strong espresso because you need to dip your Phillips screwdriver in it for lubrication. Nah, I'm just kidding, the coffee is for me. Now, first thing, we need to take the keyboard out. You can go fancy like me and take 2 small screwdrivers, or you can use the tip of a small knife. Turn your laptop face down and take the lower part off. Take your hard disk out, and after that disconnect your speakers. Now locate all the screws you have on the back and loose them out. If you don't use a magnetic screwdriver like I did, now you need to turn your laptop face up and shake it a little bit so the screws can fall. locate the 5 screws you have under the keyboard and take out your DVD unit by pulling it. Don't forget to disconnect your mousepad. For taking out your front panel, you need to use a little bit of force. Take your power adapter out, and after that the screws around your cooler. Gently disconnect your screen. Now pull up your motherboard and place it on your table. We need to take out our heatsink. But before doing that, don't forget to disconnect your cooler. As you can see, the terminal paste is solid and doesn't transfer any more heat. Now take your i3 out and replace it with the i5. Use the old plastic cover to protect your processor. This is the moment to reset your BIOS, or if you have a new battery, to replace it. I don't have one, so I use the old one. Use a coffee filter paper to clean your Nvidia chip. Off camera, I cleaned my heatsink and my cooler, so now they are ready to mount. Now is the big time to put some thermal paste on your processor. Don't worry, there is no right amount. Don't use too much, don't use too less. Now carefully place your heatsink. Try not to move it too much once it touches the thermal paste. Put the screws in place and don't forget to reconnect your cooler. Gently put your motherboard inside of your laptop case and don't forget to reconnect your screen. Don't forget about your power adapter, and after that place your front panel on. Connect your mouse pad and put the screws back on. Connect your speakers. Now, so you can easily install your RAM, you need to place it at an almost 45 degrees angle and push it inside the slot. For the storage, first of all, we need to recover the metal mounting cage surrounding your old hard drive. Take your new SSD and place it inside the cage as shown. Now place your SSD inside of your laptop and after that put the screws back on. Take your second hard drive caddy and place your old hard drive inside. Don't forget to recover your L adapter and the plastic cover so you can place them on the new caddy. Put the keyboard on and connect it to the motherboard. Put the screws back on. Well, this is easy, so I will skip it. Install your battery and put the lower cover on. And that's it, congratulations, you just upgraded your old laptop. As a part of the update, it's recommended that every time you install new hardware inside of your PC to do a BIOS update. This is not mandatory. In my case, I decided to do a BIOS update, but in your case, you can do as you wish. I'm sorry, I forgot to record the moment when I started to update my BIOS, but I have some video while in process, so you know what to expect. You can find the links for all the items I use in the video description below. Also, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. This will be helpful for me. Thank you for watching and see you soon.